I'm going to share with you guys 5 iPhone tips and tricks that I use all the time, making my life easy, that I bet you didn't know. Check this out. If you're like me and you have a lot of web browsers open, instead of closing them one at a time, just go to the one that you want to keep, hold it down, then select close other tabs. Then every other tab will be closed except for the one you selected. If you have documents you need to sign from your email, just tap on the PDF, select the pencil icon on the bottom right, select the plus button, then text. Now you can type your text onto the document. You can also sign your document by tapping on the plus, signature, add signature, plus, then give it your Hancock, then save and reply to all. Save your iPhone hard drive space by downloading a free Google Photo app. Back up all your photos, then go into your photos and delete all your photos from your phone. To make selection easy, tap on the first photo, drag it to the right, and then drag up to select more than one photo at a time. Apple Notes is one of the most useful apps you can use. Open up Notes, select on the camera icon, then scan text. Notes will automatically convert them to digital text so you can save, edit, copy, and paste. You can scan handwritten letters, posters, books, websites, anything that you need to convert text into digital text. You can even select scan documents, take a photo, and it will automatically convert that into a PDF document. And you can even edit to make sure it looks perfect. To be safe while driving, you can have Siri read you your text messages.
Babe, are you hungry?
Yes, babe, can you cook for me? And you can use voice recognition to text back. Subscribe and follow for more.